This is a video of my Thomas Winter Railway collection, so please enjoy. Here's Thomas, Edward, Henry, Gordon, James, Percy, Toby, Duck, Donald, Douglas, Oliver, Emily, Marion, Spancan, Vinny, Hero, Boko, Spencer, Charlie, Daisy, Sodor Railway Repair, Flying Scotsman, Den, Dart, Bell, Dennis, Sydney, Bowler, Molly, Gator, Dustin, Samson, Neville, Airy, Bird, Philip, Ryan, Stanley, Paxton, Mavis, Bill, Ben, Ashima, Flora, Billy, Scruff, Caitlin, Murdoch, Flynn, Norman, Skiff, Timothy, Winston, Fergus, Porter, Logan, Arthur, Wilbert, Stafford, Bash, Dash, Ferdinand, Cody, Derek, Hank, Stephen, Connor, Stepney, Frida, Gina, Rosie, Whiff, Harvey, Sam, Diesel, Big City Engine, Hugo, Lady, Splatter, Dodge, and Diesel 10. Here are my custom engines: Splinter, Reek, Midnight, Mystery, and Fast Eddie. Here are my small railway engines: Mike, Bert, and Frank. Here are my narrow gauge engines: Scarloey, Reneus, Sir Handel, Peter Sam, Rusty, Duncan, Fearless Freddy, Mighty Mac, Luke, Proteus, Millie, Victor, Duke, Ivo Hugh, Smudger, and Bertram. Here are my road raid vehicles: Birdie, Sir Tom Hat's car, Jack, Alfie, Kelly, Oliver, Max, Monty, Byron, Isabella, Nelson, Patrick, Madge, Thumper, Trevor, Hook and Ladder, Butch, Elizabeth, George, Caroline, Bolchi, Terrence, and Kevin. Here are my airborne vehicles: Harold the helicopter and Jeremy the jet plane. And here are my water vehicles: Bolstro the barge and Captain the lifeboat. Here are my coaches: Annie, Clarabelle, Old Slow Coach, Catherine, Henrietta, Flores Tram, Stevens Castle coaches, 10 Years in America coach, and the Knapford Express coach. Here are my brake vans: 4 red Solo Line cabooses, 2007 Day Out with Thomas caboose, Halloween caboose, musical caboose, yellow Solo Line caboose, Spiteful brake van, and winter caboose. And here are my cranes: Rocky, the breakdown train, Cranky, Colin, and Reg. Here are all of my trucks: Scruffy, Fred, A-Car, Dino Fossil Cars, Apple Cars, Aquarium Cars, Youngster Cars, Forklift Car, Solar Cookie Factory Cargo Cars, Dairy Cars, 3 Hand Cars, 3 Gray Chosen Trucks, 2 Gumball Cars, 2 Chocolate Cars, Scrap Monster, Royal Crest Cargo Car, Prospector Cars, Searchlight Cars, Blue Mountain Quarry Troublesome Trucks, Jet Engine, Chinese Dragon, Henry's Lockhart, Dustin's Accessory Pack, Hose Car, Solar Bakery Cars, Oil and Coal Cargo, Rock Crusher Cars, 3 Troublesome Trucks, 3 Giggling Troublesome Trucks, Hector, Pirate Ship Delivery Cars, 2 Dino Fossil Discovery Cars, Recycling Cars, 3 Barrel Cars, Blue Mountain Quarry Truck, 2 Red Solartron Clay Cars, Flower Car, Circus Train, Waterworks Cars, 2 Coal Cars, Blue Mountain Quarry Cars, Oil Tanker, 2 Birthday Cars, Catherine's Car, Garbage Car, Ice Delivery Cars, Tar Tanker, Dairy Troublesome Truck, Zoo Cars, Bubblesome Trucks, Mail Coach, 2 Fuel Tankers, 2 Box Cars, Blasting Cap Car, Tidman Milk Tankers, Stinky Cheese Car, Glowing Paint Tanker, Joby Wood Car, Santa Sleigh Car, Peg and Stack Cars, and a grand total of 15 cargo cars. Here are all of my accessories. Here's Boulder, 4 figures of Sir Topham Hatt, 5 figures that can be workmen, conductors, drivers, or firemen, a male passenger, a cow, 6 signals, 2 trees with stumps, 4 snow-covered trees, 5 stop signs, a quarry sign, a bump sign, a school sign, a Norby Beach sign, 4 yelled signs, a reindeer crossing sign, a one-way sign, and 10 railroad signs. And here are all of my extra engines: 1994 Thomas, 1997 Thomas, 2001 Thomas, Thomas without the stripes, CGI face Thomas, New Style CGI face Thomas, Early Engineers Thomas, Winter Wonderland Thomas, Paint Splatter Thomas, Reindeer Thomas, Flower Cover Thomas, Thomas at Sea, Surprise Face Thomas, Birthday Thomas, Battery Powered Thomas, Light Up Reveal Thomas, Thomas and the Stinky Fish, Thomas Comes to Breakfast, Gold Thomas, 2015 Thomas, 1942 Thomas, Stinky Cheese Covered Thomas, Christmas Thomas, 60th Anniversary Henry, Better View for Gordon, Old Style James, 1992 James is Tender, James Sorts It Out, Battery Powered James, Origins James, Old Style Percy, Christmas Percy, Silver Percy, CGI Percy, Hard at Work Percy, Metallic Percy, Battery Powered Percy, CGI Battery Powered Percy, Racing Percy, Royal Crest Toby, Round Roof Duck, Old Style Duck, Old Style Lady, New Style Lady but with the face cut off, Battery Powered Lady, Bill with red wheels, Blue Ben, Oil Covered Diesel, Diesel in Disguise, Battery Powered Diesel, Bronze Diesel, 4-wheel Mavis, Old Style Mavis, Quarry Dust Mavis, Old Style Diesel 10, Old Style Span Can, Splatter with Dodge's Face, Oil Covered Airy, Oil Covered Bird, Cheese Covered Bird, Holiday Light Sydney, Seaside Sydney, New Style Derrick, Old Style Den, Den in Disguise, Old Style Dart, Dart in Disguise, Green Salty, Fix Me Up Stephen, Old Style Scruff, Dirty Scruff, Patchwork Hero, Hero Sticky Spill, Streamlined Emily, Stafford, Old Style Whiff, Old Style Flying Scotsman, Old Style Stanley, Knockoff Stanley, CGI Rosie, Knockoff Rosie, Old Style Mike, Old Style Cody, Old Style Scarloey, Rheneas with white wheels, Yellow Rheneas, Old Styles a handle, Old Style Peter Sam, Old Style Peter Sam with the funnel cut off, Blue Mountain Koi Peter Sam, CGI Rusty, Knockoff Rusty, Old Style Duncan, Old Style Bertram, Proteus, Old Style Victor, Victor comes to Sodor, Sea Soak Victor, 2006 Scruffy, 2017 Dynamite Scruffy, Old Style Rickety, Old Style Birdie, Old Style Jack, Old Style Terrence, Old Style Butch, Old Style Trevor, Old Style Kevin, Flynn's Trailer, Old Style Harold, New Style Harold with the cargo magnet, and Jeremy. And that is my Thomas Winroy collection. Thank you so much for watching.